Good morning. Welcome to Easily Confused Words 6. So first, we have here, which you do with your headphones, versus here, the place where I am. Now, the kind of here you use when you hear sound has the word ear in it. You hear with your ear, and you spell them the same. The kind of here that means a place also shows up in where and there. All the place words are spelled with here. Next, we have waste, which is carelessly using something up or throwing it away, and waste, the middle of your body. My mother always used to tell me to taste something before I took a whole bowl, so I wouldn't waste it. She didn't want me to throw away something she liked because I didn't like it. Taste it so you don't waste it, and spell them the same. The word waist, like the middle of your body, also has a skinny midsection. I, in the middle of the word, gives it its own waist. Next, we have are, like you are, and are, like belonging to us. These two might even sound a little different when people say them. Everyone says are for the first one, but sometimes you might hear our for the second one. Are with an A is a being verb, like am or is. Are with an O means it belongs to us. It goes with your. Some things are ours, and some are yours, and it only makes one letter of difference. Next, we have weather, like rain and snow, and weather, which has to do with things we might not know yet. First, when the weather is bad, I wear a coat. Weather and wear start the same. Next, we have our question word, whether. Let's look at some other question words. Who, what, when, and why all have something in common. Most of our question words start with WH, and so does weather when we say something like whether or not. Finally, we have through, like going through a tunnel or a bad day, and through, like when you throw something. Through, like you'd go through a tunnel, has a tunnel in the middle of the O. If you wrote your word on paper, you could put your pencil through it. The other kind of through is spelled just like throw. You only change one letter to change from I throw the ball to I threw it yesterday. This has been Easily Confused Word 6. See you again next week.